I'll have an iced decaf venti mocha with whole milk and caramel syrup with extra foam and whipped cream to go, please.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Britcent, and I'm going to be teaching you 25 phrases to use in cafes. Hello, can I have a latte to take away, please? Hello, can I have a latte to take away, please? Could I get a small iced Americano, please? Could I get a small iced Americano, please? I'd like an iced caramel frappuccino, please. I'd like an iced caramel frappuccino, please. Can I get a hot cappuccino, please? Can I get a hot cappuccino, please? Could I have a tall iced decaf skinny latte? Could I have a tall iced decaf skinny latte? Could I get a vanilla latte with an extra shot and whipped cream? Could I get a vanilla latte with an extra shot and whipped cream? I will have a double espresso and a medium hot chocolate. I'll have a double espresso and a medium hot chocolate. Could I have an extra hot Americano, please? Could I have an extra hot Americano, please? Can I get 2 extra hot flat whites and 1 iced Americano with hazelnut syrup? 2 pumps, please. Can I get a 2 extra hot flat white and 1 iced Americano with hazelnut syrup? 2 pumps, please. I'd like an Earl Grey, please. I'd like an Earl Grey, please. Can I get a breakfast tea with milk? Can I get a breakfast tea with milk? Do you have any cakes or sandwiches? Do you have any cakes or sandwiches? Can I get an extra shot, please? Can I get an extra shot, please? Can you put a sleeve on it? Can you put a sleeve on it? Could I get a tray? Could I get a tray? No, thank you. No, thank you. Does decaf mean 0 caffeine? Does decaf mean 0 caffeine? How many shots in an Americano? Can I get 1 less? How many shots in an Americano? Can I get 1 less? It's too hot. Can you make it a bit less hot? It's too hot. Can you make it a bit less hot? What time do you close today? What time do you close today? What time do you open tomorrow? What time do you open tomorrow? Can you validate parking? Can you validate parking? Do you take card? Do you take card? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. And that's all from me. See you soon.